That is your house? Oh! No. Go back to your house. Go back to your house. Fine, I'm gonna put stick. Wait. I want to touch you. Ants, don't go away. Ant! Go away. Oh, there's a small ant. Come here, ant. Come here, ant. Come here, ant. Here. Oh, how did you get out? Okay, you can go back. Shoo. Hey, go away. Yep, that's your home. And you're still there. Shoo. That's better. What? Shoo. Good luck. Really? Shoo. Get out before I kill you. Shoo. This is my house. Get away. That's a great house. What? Get out. Okay. I'm gonna move this. Hey, you want that? Hey, eat it. Hey, come back. Yeah, you're supposed to eat it. Where are you? I don't see any ant now. Let me find some more ants. Where's You want this? It's catching you! I got you! Got you in the shoe! Got you! What you? How did that ant come? Come here. Please don't leave me alone. Fine, you can go. Maybe I can just... Hello. You want bubble? Hey, come back. I got you, ant. I got you. I got an ant. There you go. You can go now.